Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners. Today we are going to learn about the indefinite pronouns. Can you remember what are the indefinite pronouns? The indefinite pronouns are in English anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody, someone and something. Let's know when to use indefinite pronouns actually. Actually, we use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying that who they are and what they are. That means exactly we don't know, specifically we don't know who are they and what they are. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people. That means we use body and one for people. For example, anybody, anyone, nobody, no one, somebody, someone, everybody, everyone. That means these expressions will be used with people. On the other hand, we use thing. We use thing with the things. For example, anything, everything, nothing and something. For example, everybody enjoyed the program. That means the people enjoyed the program. You see another example, I opened the door but there was no one at home. I opened the door but there was no one at home. So that there was no one, that means it refers a person, right? Next one, it was a very clear day. We could see everything. It was a very clear day and we could see everything. That means the thing, right? Everything. This is the object. The most important point I am going to discuss now. We sometimes forget to use the correct verb with indefinite pronouns because these indefinite pronouns, everybody, everything, it refers the all. But after this, after indefinite pronouns, you have to use singular verb. So you can say we use a singular verb after an indefinite pronoun. For example, everybody loves. Everybody loves. Everything was. So you can make your own sentence. Everybody loves Sheila. Everything was ready for the program. Now let's see some examples and try to find out which one will be the correct sentence. The first one, nobody came. The second one, anybody did not come. Third one, nobody came, and the fourth one, nobody did not come. Which one will be right? Yes, obviously the nobody came because anybody did not come and nobody did not come. These two sentences are already incorrect. It's the incorrect expressions. You cannot use these. Quiz for you. Nothing happened or nothing did not happen. Which one will be the correct one? Yes, the correct expression will be nothing happened. Don't say nothing did not happen. Let's see this exercise and try to find out the correct sentence. Everyone joins the meeting. Everyone joined the meeting. Or everyone has joined the meeting, or everyone have joined the meeting. Which one is right? Yes, everyone joins the meeting. This expression is correct. Everyone joined the meeting. This expression is correct. And everyone has joined the meeting. This expression is also right. And the last one, everyone have joined the meeting. This expression is totally wrong. Why? Because we know that after indefinite pronoun, we have to use singular verb. today. Dear learner, that's all for today. Thank you very much. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.